Alright guys, so it's Turkish Airlines Airbus A330 just landed here from Istanbul. Alright, let me walk over there so that I can get a shot of the Airbus. I think it's coming back this way right now. Just landed here from Istanbul. Alright, there you go. It's over there. Oh, okay, it's coming down there. I need to go to the other spot because it's blocking this building right here. Alright, so now I can get a better view of the Turkish Airlines A330 right here from Istanbul. There you go. I see. Alright, there you go. Alright, so this Airbus A330 right here from Istanbul, right here at Chinggis Khaan International Airport here in Ulaanbaatar.